What's this red on my hair? Huh? What? Why is it red?
Yeah, look at that. Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe so you don't forget. Do it now before it's too late. Anyway, with no further ado, let's see what we're doing today. I've done my roots like 3 weeks ago, and look at that. And you've seen probably my video. I did my roots with bleach and then I tone it with Well-In-Somatic, but look at that. That's gone, and I wash my hair only once a week and the color is still gone. The one I have here on the bottom, I'm really pleased with it. That was the Schwarzkopf one. But anyway, in today's video what we're doing is I'm using a new color. If you watched my vlog, I did buy a lot of the new XP100 colors. So today I thought, because my scalp is gone so dry from the bleach, guys, it's very irritating, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the scenario a little bit. So I'm going to do a trial, and if you stay to the end of the video, you'll see what's the result. So I'm not using bleach today. I did buy the bleach XP100 and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do bleach and then I'm going to do the toner. But then I have an idea, because my regrowth is not that much. I'm just going to use the 1102 Super Light Natural Violet Blonde, which is this one, and I want to do the extra lift, and it's supposed to be, when you use 12% of peroxide, it's supposed to give you up to 4 or 5 levels of lift. So if you think about it, I'm around 4 or 5, level 4 or 5. I thought I'm 5, but when I look at my natural hair, I think I'm around 4 to be fair. So if I lift it up to 5 levels, it will go somewhere 9, which for me is okay. And yeah, so I'm excited because I'm gonna try this new color, and as always I will use my Color Secret Bondplex drops so I don't damage my hair. And let's start with the mixing. I will let you know how that mixes. We put 1 part of this color, and the best, this is it's not very expensive color. It's a brand I haven't tried. It's Alice brand, and it comes with 100 ml tube, which is so worth money, and I really hope it works. And I mix it 1 to 2, so 1 part. So what I'm gonna do is, because it's only my half of my hair, I'm going to put like 30 mils of this, and I have another 70 left, which means I can use that on 3 times. So I'm gonna put 30 mils of that and 60 mils of the 12% peroxide, because we're wanting the extra lift. And then I'm going to use the drops. These drops, if it's a color, we mix it with 1 drop per 30 mils if it's for color. So if I do like my mix is going to be 90 mils, so I need just 3 drops of that, of the Color Secret, and that's it. So let's just jump how I'm starting. So first impression, it did mix quite well, and I'm not sure if that's going to be enough for me. The smell, it's not that bad. If I have to compare it with bleach, I would say it's, when you just mix it, it smells a little bit more, but now I'm getting used to it, so it's not one of the strongest smells, so I can be alright with that. So now I've divided my hair, and let's start. I'm so excited. It's definitely much easier to apply on than the bleach, because the mixture is so much smoother. And I'm hoping I don't need any toner, but let's see what's gonna be the final effect, because there's some violet in there. I shouldn't be that orangey, but we don't know how that's gonna work with the level of lift, so let's just go with it. The only thing I don't like with the special lifts, guys, is, that's why I start using bleach, is that I have to put 12% peroxide on my scalp, and I really hate that, because it's so strong and my scalp is already dry and it's starting to itch a little bit. But I guess because I've used before I used before special lifts, and then I used to do highlights as well, because my hair was growing so fast. So I was doing my roots with special lifts, and then after that I was using some highlights every 2 months. But my hair was so dry, so that's why I decided to go just with bleach. So I'm gonna keep going, and let's just jump to when I'm done. So roots have been colored, and I can see here it's starting to lighten up, which is really good. It was very fast. Oh, I love myself blonde. And I was wrong. I still have some color left. So actually 90 mils of the consistency was pretty much enough. What's this red on my hair? Why is it red? I don't know what I've done there, guys, but I have like a red, like I've touched red color or something. Oh, there is more. What have I done? Look at that. There's like, that's so weird. It's like red. And I'm trying to think, look at that. I'm trying to think, what have I touched? Oh, I have a lipstick here, a tissue with lipstick. Okay, that scared me for a while because I thought I'd put something red on my hair. Oops. Okay, never mind. So I think it is going very well. My scalp is not burning that bad. It's a bit irritated from the previous bleaching because I've done it, like I said, 3 weeks ago. It's a bit dry, and let's see after that if I'm going to need actually any toner. But I think even if it stays like that for like 2-3 weeks till the new roots start coming out, I think it's gonna give it a really nice touch. Like I'm gonna have like rootage, but it's gonna mix really well with my color. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited to see. And now with the leftover of the color, I know I have I have a lot of bleach here, but what I want to do is I just want to do like on my parting where I normally wear the hair. I normally wear the hair like on this side. Look, it's got, and to be honest, guys, I called my boyfriend to help me for this part here because I don't want on my here on the crown to have black dark roots there. So I called my boyfriend. I always make sure he checks for me, and I have to, next time probably I can show you. I'm not gonna explain to you next time in the next video. I was going to film it, but then he was so concentrated and I didn't want to disturb him. So anyway, so now with the leftover color, what I'm gonna do is I just want to do like few bits like here, because as you saw earlier from Wella, the toner really stripped down and my hair looked really yellow. So from the leftover color, I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlights there, like just like that, just like mid-lengths, and I'm gonna use my fingers just like that a little bit, so actually I get a little bit blonder. And I'm just going to use fingers, guys, because there is no point of using anything else. So I'm gonna keep doing that. The waiting time is 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes for a high lift, for a special lift. So at the moment, let's just jump to after the shower. Okay guys, I'm freshly washed, and this is what my hair is. It looks like with the XP, XP super light colors. I call them always extra lift because for me they're extra lifting. My first impressions, first of all, it didn't stink, the scalp didn't burn that bad. Then I think I did get, my hair is really dark, so it throws a lot of warmth. That's why I wanted to put violet in it. And this is, I'm not 100% happy for it. I'm not, like you can see it's a bit orangey, and yeah, look at that. So I definitely need like highlights or something, but I think I can go like that for, Yeah, because look, it looks quite nice and it's not dry. When I dry it, it's gonna come a bit lighter, but I think compared to the rootage I had and now, I think that looks so much better. And I'm quite happy because it lifted quite well. It is not like that orangey. It's quite nice color, if you can see. And I'll keep going with the video, continue with the video when I dry my hair, but today I'm not doing that because I don't want to damage my hair. So guys, this is the final color and my hair is up, so I'm just gonna let it down so you can see actually. And what I'm gonna say, it did lift. Now like that up, my hair looks okay, but you'll see once I put it down, it's not actually lifted that well because I've used before like Wella extra lift and it lifted much better with Wella. This one is, don't look at that color, but we're talking about the roots. You can see the roots are still really dark and I don't think that was enough. I think next time I've ordered Schwarzkopf Professional, so I'm gonna use the Schwarzkopf in my next video so we can compare it. But that's all for now. For now I can have my hair like that, but I don't think I will be using the special lift from that brand for my hair. I think it can lift. This one is good if you're around level 7. If you're light blonde and you want to become like this light blonde, then you should be fine. But for lifting 5 levels, that would never happen because I'm like around level 4 or 5. I didn't expect actually to lift much anyway, but I expected a little bit more. And as you can see, I'm at the moment like level 7 or 8 the most, so it lifted probably only like 3-4 levels instead of 4-5. There are some colors like Schwarzkopf, they can lift a little bit more. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you, and I'll see you in my next video and let's see what I'm gonna try next. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.